Qizhong Chemical is a leading global manufacturer of activated carbon with a history of 23 years in research and production of activated carbon. Headquartered in Zhengzhou City, Henan Province, China, the company operates 4 production plants located in Ningxia, Hebei, Jiangxi, and Fujian. With a production and sales team of over 300 employees, Qizhong Chemical aims to become the preferred choice for customers in activated carbon procurement by leveraging its strong production capacity and technological research and development capabilities. We select high-quality raw materials such as coconut shells, anthracite, bituminous coal, and wood to produce activated carbon. Our product range includes granular activated carbon, powdered activated carbon, extruded activated carbon, acid-washed activated carbon, impregnated activated carbon, and catalytic activated carbon. Qizhong Chemical possesses leading equipment and multiple automated production lines, with an annual production capacity of up to 50,000 tons. The Ningxia factory serves as our coal-based activated carbon production base, leveraging abundant coal resources to maintain a leading advantage in both quality and price. The cylindrical carbon production workshop is equipped with 4 1,000-ton 4-axis extruders and 8 activation furnaces, with the entire production process controlled by an integrated intelligent system to ensure the highest quality. Coconut shell activated carbon is produced at our Fujian factory. In response to increasing demand for coconut shell carbon, we established a production base in Hebei in 2022, significantly increasing production capacity to meet additional demands from the growing product segmentation market. The Jiangxi factory serves as the production center for wood-based activated carbon. With 4 production lines, the annual capacity reaches 8,000 tons. Our powdered carbon can meet various applications in food and beverage, pharmaceuticals, and more. Qizhong Chemical has large capacity storage workshops and a massive logistics center, aiming to maximize delivery performance by shortening transportation times. As a technology innovation-oriented enterprise, Qizhong Chemical has an experienced R&D team and collaborates with multiple universities to improve product development and production efficiency while reducing production costs for the benefit of customers. In 2023, Qizhong Chemical introduced advanced impregnation equipment, leading the industry in impregnated activated carbon technology. The Quality Control Laboratory at Qizhong Chemical can conduct indicator tests on each batch of products, including iodine value, ash content, CTC, heavy metal content, strength, iron content, etc. In addition, qualified, non-qualified gauges are used for process control management. Our product quality has obtained various relevant quality certifications such as ISO 9001, NSF, Halal, Kosher, etc. Currently, our activated carbon products are not only sold in the domestic market, but also steadily increasing their market share in the international market, covering over 90 countries in Southeast Asia, Europe, South America, the Middle East, Australia, and more. With our professional sales and service team, we aim to serve even more customers. At Qizhong Chemical, we believe that employees are the company's most valuable asset, so we provide a range of social facilities such as cinemas, libraries, fitness equipment, and self-service restaurants for daily use. We also offer a series of learning and training programs to foster the growth of both employees and the company. In the future, Qizhong Chemical Company Limited will continue to uphold the philosophy of quality first, innovative development, constantly striving for excellence and making greater contributions to industry development and social progress.